So what's up everybody? In today's video we're going to learn how to make this awesome design in Photoshop. It's very easy to make. Lava, how do you make this balloon text twists and just make beautiful aesthetic design? So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. If you find this video helpful at the end, please hit the like button. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, let's begin by creating a new document by hitting Ctrl N on our keyboard, and just take the Instagram size 3000 by 3000, 72 ppi, and just click create. Okay, we're going to bring in our text tool and type the word lava. Okay, for our font we're using Bebas New, so go and select Bebas. And we are going to scale our font to be big enough to the size that we want. Okay, we're going to go to our move tool and just place it at the center. Okay, now we'll come to filter and come to liquid file tool. And I'm going to ask you to convert to smart object. Just click convert to smart object. Okay, here we are going to take the brush just the way it is. Look at the size, and I'm using 600, the density is 50, and the pressure is 100. Okay, pressure may not really work because I'm using the mouse here. So we're just going to click and drag. Okay, just going to click and drag, and this is going to give us text, a twirling edge. Make sure that you get creative here and just make things the way you want it to look like. Okay, let it flow like lava. Okay, and just get it something close like this. Okay, and just come here and click OK. Okay, now we've converted our text to this because of this liquid file tool, so we can turn it off and our text goes back to normal. We can put it on. It's going to take a while, then it comes back to the way it is. Okay, whenever I use liquid file tool in design, it's very stressful to machine most times if yours is old and crappy like mine. Okay, so we're going to bring in the design that we use. I'm going to provide all this in the description box so that you can practice. Okay, so we're going to drag this on our design and just resize this to the appropriate size and rotate it to fit the size that we want. Okay, and right here we're going to right click on our layer and we're going to say create clipping mask. Create clipping mask. Okay, here we have it. So let's push our layer down so that we can have more of its way under. Okay, so we're going to come to our text here and we're going to create some drop shadows. So go to effects, go to drop shadows, and we're going to take our drop shadow color to black. Then let's reduce the opacity. Just follow the settings here. Okay, now that we are here, we're just going to select everything and push our design upward. Okay, we're going to create a circle and just bring it in here. Hold down your shift key while dragging the circle so that it can have a perfect shape, a perfect circle. So we're going to duplicate this layer. Hold your alt key and drag to the top. Okay, so we're going to have a duplicate, and here we have it. So we're going to scale it down, and right here, since there's a circle and there's this, and we're going to create a clipping mask. This, so I'm going to right click, go to right click and come to create clipping mask. So it's going to clip to it. So we're going to take this drop shadow here and drag it onto this one. So how you do that, this is kind of just duplicating layers or duplicating effects. So you hold down your alt key and your mouse is on this drop shadow. Just hold and drag it onto the circle, and it's going to take the shadow here and duplicate it into your circle. So we're going to make another duplicate of this. We're going to select just these two Okay, this one is selected, so just hold the shift key, no, the control key, and click on this. Now we have just these two selected, so we're going to hold the alt key, then drag to make a copy of it, and let's just position this one here. Okay, sorry for all these shortcuts. You just have to master shortcut anyway, because you cannot do without shortcuts. Just place this one here. And for this one, okay, we have these two layers controlling these two. So right here on this layer, we'll come to adjustment layer. I'm going to bring the black and white, and we're just going to clip it to this one. How I clipped it was actually to hold the alt key and hover, or you can just right click and clip it. Okay, then we have this already. We're almost done with our design. So just to balance the design up, we're going to bring in our text. Let's bring in the text box and just drag it. Most times in design, you just need to balance things up with nonsense. So sometimes you can just, maybe this is a text, a dummy text, okay, just to balance things up. Okay, so I discover our text is too big, so let's make this one really small. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the video. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is day 40 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.